This is Carl with your three things to watch for Tuesday, January the 14th. Starting out, country movement really picked up last week leading into the USD reports on Friday. We've actually seen some pretty good movement ever since the latest rally and futures started. Starting to get a little top heavy on the cash side, though. Even though basis still holding pretty good, we have not seen basis react like it normally would with the movement we've seen over the last week to 10 days. Uh, that tells me that the demand is still there and that buyers are still a little bit concerned over future movement. It's a good market when they stand in there and keep buying, especially with basis starting to weaken in South America. Uh, Soybean basis for nearby shipment dropped 13 cents in Brazil yesterday. Summer delivery down 18 cents. It's harvest pressure, starting to see some harvest pressure down there. Very little farmers selling on the soybeans, though. That's given us some support. Technicals playing a role in the market today. Last week we were oversold, and all of a sudden last night we went home knocking on the door of overbought on corn and soybeans. I don't think it's at a point we see a major correction, but it could slow down our buying and likely will. Flush out some weak longs and make a little bit of a stronger market. Not a bad thing. Crude oil. Going to keep an eye on this today, mainly the open interest in crude oil. That has increased 10% just from January 1st. So a big jump in open interest in the crude complex. A lot of managed money coming in there. We've seen this before. That is not long-lasting support. That is short-term support. The crude oil rally has in turn helped soybeans and corn through renewable fuels. Crude oil a little softer overnight, so we've got a little pressure on the grains and soybeans here. I don't think it's going to be real long lasting. Our crude oil demand is holding in there pretty good. So even if we see some of the managed money interest leak out, crude oil values still isn't like we're putting in record highs or anything like that we would correct from. Those are the three things I'm watching today.